Workshop Watch. Here in the museum, we build aeroplanes, restore cars and motorbikes, file, weld, hammer and tap, wonder, weld and plane some more. And they say that where you break an egg, chips fall. And that's what you're going to see here. And off he goes again! Hello good friends and welcome to episode 28 of my Workshop Watch. I am Achim Engels and welcome you to today's part 16 of my series How to Build an Airplane. There's lots to see again today, namely building the engine mount, installation of the engine mount, installation of the engine, preparing the tail unit for covering, wrapping the tail structure, measuring the positions of the feed-throughs for the control cables, cutting the leather reinforcements to size, covering the rudder and elevator, covering the stabilizer, some words on dope, cutting out the openings for the control cables, checking the control cable openings, finished tailplane, decoration of the rudder, the Engels logos, drawing the streamlined tubing, production of the adjustable rear wing strut, painting the rear wing strut, dabbing on serial numbers. Matze continues to learn to draw, and Matze also continues to build fuel tanks again. In the next hour, I hope you will again have a lot of fun watching the building of historical aeroplanes by hand. Some of the scenes will again be accompanied by lyrics, all of which I wrote myself. Not because I am a great lyricist, but simply because I can't avoid any copyright problems with them, and it is fun. So, enjoy!